everyone, it's me, Dancing Whimsy-steria, and I know I haven't done an official apartment tour yet, but I wanted to show you some of how I am celebrating Halloween and fall in Japan. So, without further ado, here's some parts of my apartment. So starting from my walkway, I have a little jack-o'-lantern with a unicorn horn, and I got, this is technically a placemat, but I use it as a little floor mat. It's a bunch of cute little puppies in costume. So I have some little spooky puppies in my house. And let's see. Then we have the Halloween dishwashing cheer assortment. So I have my little orange fall barley tea that has little Pokemon on it, which makes me all cheerful when I'm doing my dishes. And I have a little macaron-shaped jack-o'-lantern food container Tupperware. Teeny tiny, smaller than your hand. So very small. Then I have some teeny tiny little pastel jack-o'-lanterns because why not? So we got the cute and kawaii jack-o'-lanterns. And I got the orange dish soap this month because Halloween. And let's see some other ways that I've celebrated. So this is my little kitchen area and how I'm celebrating here. Apologies, I apparently lost sound. So what I'm showing you right now is a little lacquerware cup that I got in Aizu Wakamatsu. It has very pretty floral prints on it for the fall and autumn season. And it is from Aizu. And then I also have that cute little ghost card there that my parents sent me. So that was very nice to have a little Halloween decoration. And then I have this fan. And I'm going to place it right in the corner here so I can add a little bit of color to the room because that white wall is just very plain. The pretty green and gold background that you see is actually one of my kimonos that I've used for a couple of years, as well as the obi that goes with it, decorating on the side. So I put those up so that would add a little bit more color into the room as well. And then the table is my dining table. It does have a little heater element under it so that as it gets colder I can stick my feet under there and stay nice and warm. And it has a nice little fall, they call it a futon, but it's not the same that you sleep on. But it's got a little futon blanket over the top that has a nice Japanese maple or momiji on top of it. In a nice sort of autumn red, green, and brown color scheme. So it's very nice and fall themed in here right now. So that is Halloween in my apartment part 2. But now you're probably curious about how did I actually spend October 31st in Japan and how did I spend Halloween?